Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda Odyssey gas tank. First, locate the fuel door release lever, typically found on the driver's side floor near the door or under the dashboard. Give this lever a firm pull. You should hear a click as the fuel door unlatches. Then, simply walk to the rear of your vehicle, open the fuel door, and twist the gas cap counterclockwise to remove it. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. If the interior lever doesn't work, don't worry, there's a manual override. Head to the rear cargo area of your Odyssey. You'll need to lift the carpet or access panel on the side where the fuel door is located. Look for a small strap or lever, often colored differently, like yellow or green. Pull this strap firmly, and the fuel door should pop open. This is a handy trick if the primary mechanism ever gets stuck. Sometimes, simple things can prevent the fuel door from opening. Always ensure your vehicle is completely unlocked before trying the release lever. In colder weather, ice or snow can freeze the door shut. A gentle tap or a bit of warmth from your hand can often free it. Also, check for any debris or small objects that might be wedged around the fuel door hinge, preventing it from opening smoothly. Keeping the area clear helps a lot. To keep your fuel door operating smoothly, a little maintenance goes a long way. Periodically, apply a small amount of silicone lubricant to the fuel door hinge and the release mechanism. This prevents sticking and ensures a long lifespan. Also, regularly inspect the rubber seal on your gas cap for cracks or damage, as a good seal is crucial for fuel efficiency and preventing vapor leaks. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.